Okay, Biscuit's arrived. Just waiting over the... See her by the wall there. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on. Come on, my darling. How are you? Alright? Yeah? Come on, my fresh. Sorry, you haven't got any Marmite tonight, I promise that. Won't you do that again, will we? No. Not doing that again. Oops. 2 pieces stuck together then. Here we go, my babes. You're nice and early, aren't you? Yeah? How's your day been, alright? Ask you the same thing every day, then you never reply. Don't know why. Cat got your tongue or something? Is it? The cat got your tongue? Yeah? You're enjoying that, aren't you? Yes. There we go, babe. Good girl. It's a bit windy, isn't it? Are you finished? Is that it? Okay. You done? She's a funny one. Doesn't eat very much at all, love her little heart. And then you get the other little greedy monkeys come along and they eat 64 pieces of chicken in an evening. Yeah, do you want to take this? Yeah, in case you don't come back. Do you want to take your chicken? No? Yeah? What do you want to do? Take this chicken or not? Biscuit? Yeah. Do you want this or not? No? You want my fingers? There we go, my babes. Just keep off the road, please. And come back to see me later. There we go, folks. And that was Biscuit.